Welcome to today's video. In this episode, we'll explore the top 5 business trends to watch out for in 2024. If you're a business owner or entrepreneur, you won't want to miss these insights. Let's dive right in. Trend number 1. Artificial intelligence and automation. AI is no longer a buzzword. It's transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. From customer service chatbots to advanced data analytics, businesses are increasingly automating tasks that were once manual. In 2024, we'll see more AI-driven tools helping businesses save time, reduce costs, and optimize operations. If you're not already using AI in your business, it's time to start exploring how it can work for you. Trend number 2. Sustainability as a business imperative. Sustainability isn't just a nice-to-have anymore, it's a must-have. Consumers are demanding more eco-friendly products, and businesses that prioritize sustainability are seeing better customer loyalty. In 2024, expect to see more companies investing in green technologies, sustainable supply chains, and eco-conscious packaging. It's not just about saving the planet, it's about staying competitive in the marketplace. Trend number 3. The rise of the creator economy. Content creators are becoming powerful business entities in their own right. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are enabling entrepreneurs to build brands, sell products, and engage directly with consumers. In 2024, more businesses will collaborate with creators to tap into niche audiences and create authentic content that resonates with their customers. If you haven't already, consider how you can partner with creators to expand your reach. Trend number 4. The hybrid work model. Remote work is here to stay, but the future is hybrid. In 2024, businesses will continue to adopt flexible work environments that combine in-office and remote options. This shift means rethinking company culture, team collaboration, and even office space. Businesses that embrace hybrid models can attract top talent and maintain a happier, more productive workforce. Trend number 5. The growth of decentralized finance, or DeFi. Blockchain technology and decentralized finance are disrupting traditional banking and investment models. In 2024, we'll see more businesses exploring DeFi for raising capital, managing assets, and reducing transaction costs. Whether it's through cryptocurrency, smart contracts, or peer-to-peer lending, decentralized finance is creating new opportunities and challenges for businesses worldwide. So there you have it, the top 5 business trends shaping 2024. If you're looking to stay ahead of the curve, these are the areas to focus on. Thanks for watching,